Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to record screen with your PowerPoint. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be want to record screen and you don't have any record screen software, but in your PC you might be have Microsoft PowerPoint. Within Microsoft PowerPoint you can easily do same things that things do with screen recorder. For example, if you want to record a screen, we're going to open our Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to open my Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can see the PowerPoint is open. We're going to choose here blank presentation. After click over blank presentation, especially these features only Microsoft made for PowerPoint presentation, but we're going to use this trick to record our screen. So what you have to do, you need to click here insert, and then the right side you're going to find here screen recording. After click over screen recording, you're going to see screen appear just like this in your PC app. Here one thing is saying a record pointer. What that does mean, it means whatever activities you're doing, the mouse pointer going to be appear. Obviously we need it. If you don't need, you can just simply uncheck it and that's not going to appear, but I want to add that. And the second thing is saying audio. Do you like to record the screen with audio? If you need with audio, obviously you click audio. If you don't need, you can just simply uncheck this, but we need this screen record with audio. Now it's saying to select the area, so we're going to select the area we want is screen record. For example, I want to choose this area. Now it's saying to record. So if you want to record, just simply click this record button, and that's going to be a time code after 3 seconds. And now whatever activities I'm doing in my screen, everything going to be record in my with PowerPoint. This is really quite interesting. After done recording, we're going to click over there again. In the upper we're going to see this option is up here. If you decide to pause the recording, you can pause it here, or if you decide to stop the recording, just simply click here stop recording. After stop recording, we're going to see the video is playing here. If let me play the video 3 seconds, and now you can hear the sound. This is record with the sound. This is really quite interesting. Now you might be decide how to transfer this media in your computer. So what you have to do, just right click over there and then click here save media as. After click over save media as, we're going to choose the desktop location, and I'm going to give a name like by, and then let me make here save. Now let me minimize this PowerPoint and let me play the video. You can see just now it is export from PowerPoint. So let me play the video and let me see is it work or not. You can see it's working, and whatever activities just I was did previously, it's record with the audio. So this is really quite interesting. If you don't have Microsoft, if you don't have any screen recorder software, you can simply choose the Microsoft PowerPoint software and do your daily basis work. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.